Hello, in front of me I've got Fiat 16. In this video I'll show you how to decode a tire. Firstly, take a look at the front tire because it's best visible on this one. The first number we can see is 205. 205 is the width of the tire tread in millimeters. This goes up in the increments of 5. The second number is 60. 60 refers to the profile of the tire, or the distance between the wheel and the edge of the tire. The number is the percentage of the width of the tire. It is commonly known as the aspect ratio, so the profile of our example is the 60% of 205 mm tire. This number also increases in increments of 5. Next we've got R60. The letter R means radial, which is the way the tire is constructed. The 16 means the rim size, or the diameter of the inside of the tire. It is expressed in inches and increases in increments of 1. The last number we can find is 96 V. The letter is the speed rating. This tells you the maximum speed the tire is suitable for. This is the fourth and final part of your tire. Most of car tires for road use have maximum speed between 118 miles per hour, which has letter T, and 187 miles per hour, which has letter Y. Therefore, our example tire has a minimum speed of 150 miles, maximum speed of 150 miles per hour, as it has the speed rating V. The load index of 96 means it can carry a load about 700 kilos. And that's basically it about tires. Some tires also have the markings, which means they are for summer or winter drive. This one has all season sign. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.